Alright, quick video disclaimer before we get into this video. Yes, I know I messed up greatly, and the reason why I say that is because I kept calling this shoe British khaki throughout the entire video when I know it's British tan. I don't know why I did that. But anyways, enjoy the video, guys. Hey, what's going on, y'all? What's going on? It's your boy Broadway Jay, the host of this channel, Kicks and Beats, the channel that gives back to the hood, so you know what's good. Make sure to hit like and subscribe if you haven't. We got a Nike product to show you guys today. I know, we keep sticking to Yeezy, so this is kind of rare over here, but, you know, I'm not totally biased. We got to review Nike too, you know? So what we got here today is a shoe that came out 3 days ago, and I believe it's a nice colorway. Hopefully it is. It looked nice to me on the internet, and this is the Nike Blazer Low, Sacai British khaki, I believe, yeah. Get into this one real quick. This one went for $120 USD, and I got this one via Kith. So shout out to Kith for this one. Appreciate it, because I tried via Nike sneakers app, and yeah, I flunked. Got a big old L as usual on that one. But yeah, for those who got a W on these, let me know in the comment section below, and let me know how you feel about the comfortability regarding this shoe. Take a look, y'all. The front of the box. I took size 10.5, that's my true to size. Alright. Okay. I like this colorway, honestly. It's a pretty clean looking shoe. Check out the midsole area, guys. It's like they doubled up over here. Then they tripled, quadrupled, whatever comes after quadruple. They just kept stacking the midsole material on top of each other. Over here in the back section, the heel area over here. Wow. You could feel foam here. This kind of reminds me of the foam that I used to feel after shredding the green leather off the cheese buses, you know, the yellow school buses when I was in elementary school. Some of us used to, you know, like pluck the leather off, and we would see like yellow sponge inside, and it would feel just like this. That's what it reminds me of, honestly. And it's pretty cool. There's a cool feature. There's 2 tongues on this shoe, guys. 2 tongues. Look at this. A brown one, and you got the red one behind. Oh, that's dope. This one says Nike Sacai. This one says Nike Sportswear made in Vietnam. Alright. This feels like, yeah, you can feel the sponge around here too. Thin layer of sponge here. It's a lot thicker around this area here, the collar. I like this. They doubled up on the laces too, brown and red. This is just a nice colorway overall, honestly. Brown with red goes real nice, man. Kind of reminds me of the Yeezy 500 highs. What were those called again? The Sumac? Kind of reminds me of that in a way. But, you know, it's just missing those blues. But this is a nice colorway, man. I appreciate it for sure. Let's take this out real quick. See the inside. What does it say inside? It says Nike Sacai. I don't know if you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see. But it says Nike Sacai on the inside. Let's see if I can pull it out. Oh, I don't know if it's really glued or stitched or something inside, so I'm not going to bother with that, honestly. Yeah, we'll leave that alone. Let's check out the other pair. Oh, comes with extra laces, guys. White laces. Well, these are flat. These are rounded. Whole different look to it. Feel free to triple up and send me pictures via IG. Let us see how it looks with all 3. I'm not going to bother doing it, but well, maybe I should. Yeah, I'll give it a try. I'll see how it looks with the white laces later on also, just so you guys can see. Over here it says Nike Sacai within the inside as well. So there's no difference with the insole regarding both. It's the same insole. Factory smell. It doesn't smell terrible. Doesn't smell that weird. It has a stench to it, but it's like real subtle. It's real mild. None too crazy. Man, shout out to Kith. All right. Let's check out the paper design. Oh, wow. Nike Sacai. I didn't expect that. All right. You got this sheet and this one right behind it. That was dope. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Cop or dry? And did you cop or did you not? Do you plan on copping? Let us know. Let us know. Oh, man. It's time to show you guys that on feet look, man. Let's get to it. say, going true to size definitely worked. Yeah, you guys could go true to size. This is like suede right here. Feels pretty rough, by the way, but it's pretty cool, man. I like how these look, man. Man, these are definitely a cop. To me, these are definitely a cop. Damn, I might consider keeping this in the collection. I don't know, guys. They look that nice. Sheesh. New designs locked in my closet. I'm opposite of dirty. Final pocket sneaker releases a season early, y'all remember. I had the high like low since September, comprehender. Fella like myself a trendsetter, Mars yellow with the Gucci sweater. A groupie fella who does it better. I run tracks and acapellas. I run tracks and whack rappers in this era. Like I said plenty of times before, I really like this colorway. It looks dope. Am I keeping it in the collection? Unfortunately, no, because I have way too many shoes at this point. I'm trying to, you know, be careful with my selection at this point. There's a lot of fire coming out this year. I already know it. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, once again, if you're going to cop, let me know. And stay tuned. We have another early look coming through soon. And in about 2 weeks from now, we have another giveaway. September 1st giveaway. Make sure you're here for that. I'm going to go on live via YouTube for that when the time comes. All right. I'm probably going to notify you guys via Instagram as well, just in case. You know what I mean? So you already know what time it is. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys soon. Peace, y'all.